How to remove product from cart on Shein application. Are you guys facing issues with clearing up your cart on Shein app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into it. First of all, open Shein application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with a registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this cart icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, just go over the card and click on this delete icon. Now again tap and delete. As soon as you tap and delete, your cart will be empty. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to clear a cart on Shein application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.